poofy hair. Yay, exciting. Okay, before we get started, I'm really like, before we deadass get into it, I'm gonna put some lip gloss on because Yummy is a good lip gloss. Please ignore my nails. I'm getting them done soon. And if you haven't realized, I don't know why I'm putting the lip gloss on that way. It's just at that point in time it was kind of satisfying, but now I feel like it looks kind of freaky and weird. Clearly we're zooted and it is causing delays, okay? But we're gonna go ahead and get into this makeup look today. It's gonna be a grunge makeup. So it's gonna be like, the plot of the makeup is like, girl, I don't fuck with Christmas. I don't fuck with Christmas. I don't care for it. Santa ain't never got me nothing nice. Santa ain't never got me nothing nice. I'm a bad girl. I'm on his naughty list.
Ah, you're teasing me. Naughty, naughty.
I totally understand that that might not make sense to you, but that's the makeup look we're going for. That's the type of girl that I want you to envision, because that's the type of girl I want to be today. I want to be on his naughty list, not the nice. I feel like last video was like icy princess. This one is naughty, not nice. Naughty, not nice. Fashion, you better not be doing nothing bad under there. I really want to do more like chit chat get ready with me's where I'm talking to you guys while I get ready, because like they're really fun to do. It's just when I start talking I don't shut up. My mom said I was the girl that said at one time at bait camp, so that's why I don't talk, because we'll be here all day. This is the primer that I'm going to use, and then I'm going to put e.l.f. on. We're going to try to do this really quick, okay? Put our hair back really quick. Put it back. Grab our mirror. Put our mirror back. And I have to speak really loud. Guys, speaking loud to somebody who's like really chill, naturally, it kind of drains me. It does. My eyebrows are already on. I'm trying to do them a little softer, but honestly, it's hard to do eyebrows really soft when you don't have fucking eyebrows. But usually I get a lot of compliments on my eyebrows in person, especially when I don't. I get the most compliments on my eyebrows when I wear them just like with my bare face. It's cap season. It's cap season. It's cap season. Whatever that means. Well, I don't do nothing anyways, but I wish you guys could see Bastion right now. He's laying in the bed looking at me. He looks so cute. I have the cutest little friend in the world. He knows. He knows he's cute. When the shawty knows she bad, she do shit that's bad. That's Bastion. That was more so like human form, but for dog, it's like when he know he cute, you know. Alright, so I've started to be conservative with makeup, so I'm gonna do it the right way where you like put it on your hand first. I'm using Fit Me because it's the first thing that I saw and the first thing that I grabbed. Okay guys, I totally lied and I forgot to do my eyes. Why didn't anybody say anything? At least we have the foundation on, I guess. Like, that's a step that we don't have to do. So, the big thing with this look, in my opinion, is just going to be the eyeliner. We're just going to do a big ass wing and big ass lashes. Totally cheated and I did one eye off camera. I got really nervous. I haven't done this makeup in years, so I'm learning all over again, and I was like, hold up. I don't want this to look too crazy. The brown color right here, all over the lid. My poor left eye, my poor left eye. And I'm gonna have to do my brows again. Okay, so after that, I'm gonna go in with the dark brown color in the palette. It's called Trail Mix. And I'm gonna do the same thing. So I'm going to pat it on the outer corner and then blend it inward. Just where my crease is, just blend it. Right there, where my crease is. Guys, if you knew how bad the lighting in my bathroom is right now, you would totally understand why I cannot see. Like, I feel like I'm doing makeup blind nowadays. And starting with the red color here, I'm going to like start putting that in my crease. Like that. I ended up going into my really old Jaclyn Hill palette. It looks gross, don't say anything. And I used the dark red right here. And I started building my crease because in my opinion, grunge makeup is like really dark and deep and creasy. We're gonna try to practice blending as much as we can. And going into the dark brown nocturnal color here. You know what I'm realizing? I don't like this brush. That's what I'm realizing. Sedona in the ColourPop palette. Ooh, you guys can really see the sparkles. Look at that gold. Oh my gosh. This is a pretty color. Super pretty. We are practicing makeup today, guys, so let's not judge any blends or the way that anything looks too much, okay? Oof. Let me get ready. Perfecting a wing liner requires a lot of precision. Y'all, I put squiggly lines on my face. I feel like I look like a lion or something. Am I tripping? I wanted to do something weird. I was like, I'm tired of seeing concealer in lines. So I did squigglies.
Say my name when they ask about us, baby. Say my name when they ask about us, baby.
Okay guys, so I am running out of storage, so now we have to move fast, super fast. So let's go ahead and hurry up and do everything we're supposed to do right now. Butter bronzer, I'm gonna bronze, and then I'm just gonna do blush, and we're gonna do it super quick, so no talking. Shh. I am bringing it down a little bit because I kind of want to like emphasize kind of like cheekbones, so I'm bringing it like this. Even though grunge is kind of dramatic, I'm still not like wanting to be like ridiculously heavy, just not just yet. I really like high blush, so even though I carry the blush down to my cheeks, I'm gonna put it in the high point of my face too, and then I'm gonna blend them together. Just so cute. Where did I see it? Where did I see it? I saw that on what's that app? What's the app? What's the app? It's like Pinterest and TikTok mixed together. What is the name of it? Lemonade. I saw it on Lemonade, and ever since I seen it on Lemonade, I was like, ooh, I gotta try it. And then I tried it and I loved it. We're gonna go back in with some bronzer because I just want to carve out my cheekbones a little more, and then I'm gonna do my nose and I'm gonna come back. So look at my nose and everything now, and then I want you to look at it again in 3, 2. I'm only gonna blend it a little bit because I want kind of a stronger look since I'm doing grunge makeup, but we'll see. Let's go ahead and blend it. Woo! Whoa. My eyes are just like popping out right now. That's why I'm like, whoa, because I was like, holy crap. Yeah, I did line my eyes off camera. That's what I was trying to say. And in the midst of me lining my eyes, like I started smudging the bottom. See, I started smudging the bottom, and I kind of liked the way that it looked. Like, you know how grunge is? It's like a messy perfect. That's how I would describe grunge. So I just started dragging, and I got this super crazy dramatic eyeliner, and I'm just like, oh my god, this is so perfect. I really need to do laundry like so bad. It's so bad. It's like 3 weeks worth of laundry. Whenever I get a house, the number one thing, first off, I need a bathroom the size of a bedroom. And I need a closet the size of a living room. I lined my lips differently today. They look like a smiley face. You see in the corner? It's like a smiley face. I'm using the Morphe lipstick. This is the other color that I bought when I went shopping. It's in the color, you guys will not be able to see that, Teddy. These Morphe lipsticks, They're so comfortable and they're so smooth and velvety. Like, I'm gonna add some beauty marks all over my face. I'm gonna have to make them a little darker so that you guys would be able to see them on camera. So even though this is how I usually do them, really soft, I'm gonna make them really dark so that you guys can see it on camera, because this is just eating. It's so bomb. I want to do some huge lashes today, so look at what we've got. Oh, this shit do look like a bug. Okay, I'm just gonna put on my eye because I feel like I'm not showing you guys how big they are, but they're freaking huge. So I'm gonna put these on right now. We went over the eyebrows, lashes, everything's looking good. You see how big these lashes are, guys? Oh my god, I really love this look. It's so pretty. It's so pretty. Oh my gosh, I feel like I'm a grunge makeup girly, believe it or not. When I was in school, I would literally do my face like this every day. If you know me, you know, or if you've ever seen me, you literally know. Like, I was the type of girl, I would wake up an hour, 2 hours before class to do a full glam. Like, that's how much I love being a diva. People try to make it like about other things, like, oh, you have insecurities and this and that. It's not really about that. Like, I just love being a princess. I'm the quietest person in the room, but I'm like the loudest with my appearance. You know what I'm saying? So I just love being extra. Okay, I am so annoyed. My phone ran out of storage again while I was talking. I'm just gonna put on this hourglass. This is the very last thing that we're gonna do for the day. Everything else is done. Alright guys, so jumping into our outfit of the day, I did want to show you guys something that kind of matched my makeup. I was thinking about something edgier, but this is the one that I went with. This was actually an outfit that was supposed to be in one of my try-on hauls that I did for Fashion Nova. Oh, girl, she almost bust her ass on camera. Oh my gosh, you guys are only seeing a fifth of my clumsiness in that clip, okay? But anywho guys, this is an old Fashion Nova fit that I actually picked up a while back, almost a month ago at this point. So I thought, girl, go ahead and throw that outfit on. You never got to show it off, and put them boots on with it, okay? So I did go ahead and add some boots. In my personal opinion, this outfit was really basic, really plain. I wanted to accessorize it to the gods. I would have done like some pop of colors and things of that nature, maybe some bracelets. You guys did see I did add some gems to my face. I added a fake lip piercing and a dermal. Ooh, and everything was so cute. I felt like it was coming together. We just need some more accessories, so let me know what I should accessorize with to put this outfit to good use whenever we do go out. But thank you guys so much for watching. Kapow! That's me kicking. I did not like that kick, so I have to do it again. Pow! See you guys next time.
I got too many hoes, but they ain't you. You like to put that shit in your nose.